Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look up there in the screen and you will find the search bar there. Press on it. And the first thing you need to do here is just write in something that you want to search for example shoes. Now I wrote here a little bit, I misspelled it. Now once that is done, you can see the filters option in the left side of the screen. You can press on it and you can see here first the suggested filters. Now usually in my opinion the suggested filters are enough, but if you want more specific filters you can find here categories, brands, colors, sizes, price and deals, customer reviews, like all of these filters basically depending what you want. So yeah, essentially this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.